Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Free Education to All. So here we have started a discussion on the choice of engineering branch. So here we have compared ECE and CSE branch. So continuing that discussion, this is the second part of the video, and here by comparing a deep insight on the curriculum, we'll uncover a lots of truth. In part 1, we have compared ECE and CSE from work domain perspective. So if you are new to this channel, I recommend you to see the following video. The link for this is given in the description box. Now, from the work domain perspective, that may be one parameter, but we need to have a better insight when we are going to take a decision on the right branch in engineering. So there we need to have a root cause analysis, and that root cause analysis should be based on how exactly ECE and CSE differs, what is the exact difference in the curriculum of ECE and CSE, what all subjects are different in the curriculum of ECE and CSE. If we do not have the proper knowledge, then our decision might be wrong. So for this comparison, we are considering the AICTE model curriculum. That details also I have given, the reference I have given in the description box. You can have a you can read the entire write-up. I will give that link also. So here we go, the structure of the undergraduate engineering courses for all the branches. So here what we find, uh, from this figure, we can find that our first observation is that any BTech degree should be of 160 credit. However, minor variations are allowed, and hence total credit requirements vary from university to university. In general, to become an engineer, a student needs to earn approximately 158 to 164 credits depending on the university. If on an average one subject is assigned 3 credits, then student needs to study 53 to 55 subjects overall in the 4 year of BTech. Now my second observation is that you can check here that only, okay, let me take the pointer. So you can see that only 48 credits are assigned for the department specific core subjects and 12 credits for 6 program electives. So I mean 18 credits for program elective. So here you can find next one. This is the program elective. So here 48 credit means 3 credit each. So 12 department subject and 6 elective subjects. So total 18 subject out of 55 subject, 18 subject students will be studying department specific. So which means around 36-37 subjects are common for all the BTech courses. So this is one interesting observation. Now third observation is that there is the scope for another 18 credit. Another 18 credit, that means 6 subjects to earn from other branches of engineering as open elective. Now this will lead to enhance the cross-domain knowledge of engineer. And 15 credit, here this 15 credits, that is kept for the application oriented knowledge, that is project work, workshop, etc. So from here what we find, that 2/3 of the engineering courses are same across all the branches. Only one third courses students are learning from department specific. And also you know that first year of BTech course is common to all branches. During first year, students learn about engineering mathematics, engineering physics, engineering chemistry, basic electronics, basic elements of civil engineering or mechanics or strength of materials, then basic electrical engineering, elements of mechanical engineering, engineering graphics, C programming, workshop, etc. So thus department specific subjects actually start from the second year of BTech. So here all the observations I have noted down. Once again I am telling, if you are interested to read the entire thing, I will give the link in the description box. You can download or you can read the entire discussion. Okay, now coming to the course specific subject. Now in course specific subject, figure 2 is showing the core courses of CSE and figure 3 is showing courses of ECE, and this reference for this is given here. It is once again from the AICTE model curriculum, and if we compare these two, what we find? So my first observation out of it, as I have also mentioned in my previous slide, that almost 60% courses are common to all engineering disciplines. That means BTech students or the engineers, they have common characteristics or common subject study, that is around 60%. So now 40% is department specific, and the interestingly some of the core courses are also common between ECE and CSE. So here you can see that computer organization and architecture. This is computer organization and architecture. It is discussed both in ECE and CSE. Then computer networks also same. However, both these subjects are much more elaborated in ECE. Along with computer architecture, students are studying about the microprocessor in detail, microcontroller in detail. So this computer architecture part little bit deeper in ECE. Similarly, computer network is supplemented with the analog and digital communication and their laboratories in ECE. So now, other than this computer network, you may find program elective or open elective like mobile communication, cloud computing, IoT. So these subjects are also taught in ECE and some universities in CSE as well. Now, second observation is that data structure, DBMS, object-oriented programming using C++, Java or Python, these are offered to the students of ECE and CSE in most of the universities. And that may be either as program elective or as open elective. It depends, it varies from university to university. So programming part, if we see that C programming is common in first year, and other object oriented programming, these are also are part of core subject of CSE, object oriented programming, while in ECE these subjects are taught as program elective or open elective. So this programming part is also common. Then data structure, most of the universities it is discussed in ECE as well. CSE, ECE, both cases, data structure, DBMS, these subjects are discussed. So now, if we take further a deeper look, we find that in CSE curriculum, there are only 4 subjects which are exclusively CSE branch. So that you will find as operating system, then algorithms, then automata, and compiler design. So these are the only 4 subjects which CSE students are studying exclusively. So that is the core domain of CSE. If you refer our previous video, there also from the job perspective, I told that CSE engineers working in these fields, that is the core CSE. Otherwise, what all perception we have CSE related or software related job, these are basically IT related jobs, and those are application software or IT related jobs are open to all. And it is mainly because of the fact that algorithms, programming, data structure, DBMS, these are discussed across all the branches more or less. Now, our fourth observation is that if we analyze the CSE curriculum, ECE curriculum closely, figure 3, ECE curriculum closely, we may observe that electronic devices, signal system, digital signal processing, electromagnetic waves, electrical networks, electronic circuits, these are exclusive to ECE. Further, electronic devices are added up with VLSI and nanotechnology, most of the universities. And you may find there is a subject called digital systems, digital system design or digital electronics, name can vary, but this subject is also the part of ECE and CSE, both the branches. So here easily we can find that what all subjects are different or exclusive to CSE, and that we find only 4 subjects, and ECE also around 6-7 subjects we find which are exclusive to ECE. So what all we have discussed regarding the observation, here I have noted down this. You can pause the video and you can read it out. So how we can conclude this? Here we can say that whenever you are deciding regarding the choice of branch, so students who are intended to take admission in ECE or CSE, they must analyze the curriculum of the university minutely, deeply. You should analyze the curriculum and also compare that with the model curriculum of AICTE. How much they do differ, what extra they are offering. So these things needs to be taken care of. Then you can find that subjects like artificial intelligence, soft computing, machine learning, big data, IoT, data science, these are offered to the students of both CSE and ECE branches as either program elective or open elective. So these are the trending technology. Artificial intelligence is a trending technology. Machine learning, you need machine learning in upcoming days. You will require the knowledge of machine learning in almost every field, whether you are a mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, civil engineer, ECE, CSE, everywhere machine learning slowly will be required. Artificial intelligence will take over. So you need to have this knowledge, and these subjects will not be specific to any branch. These will be very much common, and most of the universities in coming days, if not already, they will be offering such kind of subjects to all the students. Now unfortunately, most of the students, they focus on the placement part, placement perspective, and my experience tells that more than 80% of the students leave the company wherever they were placed from the university or college within the 3 years of their graduation or onboarding. So after onboard, within 3 years they leave, 80% of the students. So if you cannot continue with some company where you got the placement, then what is the necessity of focusing on the placement? Rather, you focus on building your excellence. Be the best in your domain. And once you excel in your domain, there will be lot of job opportunities. Maybe 20 years back, it might be true that if you do not get a placement, you need to struggle. But if you see most of the bigger houses, even that IT companies like TCS, CTS, Wipro, they hire the students by different kind of competition, hackathons, so participate over there. No one is restricting you. So before taking the final call, I would suggest to have a proper analysis. What is your domain? Where is your interest? What is the curriculum offering? How the curriculum of one branch is differing from the other branch? So these things you need to take care of. So here I end today's discussion. Thank you very much for watching this till the end, and very soon I'll be starting a course on digital signal processing. So those who are interested, they can attend that course. It will be once again completely free of cost, and I'll be posting the videos and other necessary things through this channel. So till then, goodbye.